And now expected cash disbursement for materials. Since we are purchasing material from our suppliers, up till now we have just completed how much material in units, which is pounds, going to be needed. So we know that per pound is 0.40. So we just multiply the requirement with 0.4%, and then we go through the second, that is one half of the month's purchases is paid in the month of purchase and the other half is paid on the following month. It means 50% we will pay current month and 50% we will pay in next month. It means April 50% we will pay in April, and other 50% going to be paid in May. So let's see that. So here the opening account balance is 12,000. So here we know that the April requirement is 140,000 pounds. So what is the dollar amount? 140 pounds multiplied by 0.40 is 56,000. So we will pay 50% of 56,000 in the month of sale, which is in April, and other 50% in the month of May, right? So what are the total cash disbursements for the quarter? So let's see that. So we're going to prove it here. So in the month of May, 4430, and where it came from, we multiply May's requirement with 0.40 dollar, and that is equal to 88,600, right? So that's why 50% in month of June, 50% in the month of here in May, and the other 50% of June is gonna be, which is 56,800. So we are not writing down the other 50% because it is out of the quarter, right? So you just add all here, so you'll find out the quarter here. So this is our total payments for the quarter. Now heading towards our learning objective 5, which is prepare a direct labor budget. So we have calculated, so the production is, or product cost, we have three. One is material or direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead, right? So we have completed this one, and now we are doing direct labor. So assume that at Royal, each unit of product requires 0.05 hours or 3 minutes of direct labor. So the company has no layoff policy, and all employees are paid 40 hours of work each week. So the purpose of our illustration, assume that Royal has a no layoff policy. Workers are paid $10 per hour regardless of the hours work, and for the next 3 months the direct labor force will be paid a minimum of 1,500. If one employee's salary is 1,400, then he will be paid 1,500 due to the policy of the company, Royal company. So in order to meet the direct labor budget, we know that the units would be produced or required to produce in April 26,000, May 46,000, June 29,000. So you just multiply by 10, right? Sorry, how much hours are needed? 0.05. So to make this much amount of units, you need one takes 0.05. So to make 26,000, 1,300 are needed, right? And what are the cost for direct labor cost?